Want your apps to listen and respond in real time just like the movies promised us? Well, buckle up because Nvidia Jarvis is here to make that dream a reality, transforming your coding capabilities and interaction design. Let's break down how to get started. First stop, the Nvidia developer website. Think of this as the central hub. Locate and select the Jarvis section. This is where you will access all the resources you need. The heart of Jarvis is its powerful speech recognition and natural language understanding capabilities. You will find detailed documentation, tutorials, and examples to guide you through the setup process. Take some time to thoroughly familiarize yourself. Next, download and set up the Jarvis installation package. This will usually involve setting up necessary dependencies, libraries, and ensuring you have the correct hardware configuration, specifically the Nvidia GPUs that make Jarvis sing. After downloading, follow the installation instructions carefully. Once installed, you are ready to get coding. Look at the available starter code examples provided in various programming languages. Modify and test these examples to see exactly how they work. Testing is crucial. Experiment with the speech recognition, natural language understanding, and text-to-speech features by providing voice input. Note how Jarvis accurately transcribes your words and generates responses in real time. And that, in a nutshell, is your basic introduction to Jarvis. Dive in, experiment, and prepare to create interactive, voice-driven applications beyond your wildest imagination. Now go create something amazing. Don't forget to use the hashtag #Jarvis#AI.